Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in our today's video, we will be learning how to make a proportional area chart using the Sheets feature in Canva mobile. So first of all, you have to open your Canva app. Then you have to click on the Sheet option, the blue icon. After clicking on the Sheets option, a blank workbook will appear on your mobile screen just like this. Okay. Then you have to click on the actions option in the bottom left corner of your app. Then you have to click on magic charts, drag a bit up, click on chart library, select under the area charts, select proportional area chart. After clicking on the proportional area chart, a proportional area chart will be displayed on your workbook just like this. Now we will discuss one by one the data tab and the customize tab of the proportional area chart. Okay, so under the data tab first comes your data table, which belongs the data to be displayed in the proportional area graph. So here first column is the year column, second is the sales column, marketing third, fourth finance. Okay, so in this demo graph, first column is year wise year, second is sales. So it means in 2021 sales is 18, marketing is 8, finance is 12. It is just values. And 2022 sales is 30, marketing 15, finance 14. Okay, in 2023 sales is 28, marketing 25, finance 20. Likewise in 2025 100, sales 100, marketing 120, and finance is 40. So this is basically the data which is displayed in the proportional area graph in the workbook, which you can see here. Okay, so drag a bit up. Next comes the import data option. So basically if you have created your own data in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets feature or any other Excel workbook, you can directly click on import data and import your data into this table. Okay, so your data will get imported and it will be displayed in the proportional area chart. Next comes the up arrow, next comes the right arrow and the down arrow. You can see a small option is there. It basically means the transpose. If you click on this, the columns will get converted into rows and rows will get converted into columns. For example, see if I click on transpose, see first year was in column wise, now year came in row wise, 2021 2022 23, sales, marketing, finance. This is also correct, this is also not incorrect, it's correct. Okay. Again if I get transposed, see year column wise is displayed in column. Next comes the delete option. If you click on delete, the entire data will get deleted. If you want to insert fresh data here, you can click on the delete option to remove the data. Okay, next comes the chart setup. Under chart setup, first we will see the labels, what to show. Labels are actually the data which is displayed in the x-axis of the graph. In the x-axis we want to show the year, okay, and in the y-axis we want to show the sales, marketing, and finance data year wise. Okay, next comes lines, what values to show. Lines are basically the values, okay, the lines in the graph. Okay, so lines will indicate values. So for this, if you click on this, see sales, marketing, finance are all selected as values because we want to display this now year wise. Next comes aggregate data. If you click on the drop down menu, by default none is given. You can sum the data, average the data, you can count the data, maximum, minimum, and median basic statistical calculations you can do. These I will explain in a separate video. So this is all about the data tab. Okay, next comes the customize tab. In the customize tab, first comes the text. So under the text option comes the legend. Legend is basically the colors in this graph which are indicating the different values. Like sales is blue color, marketing is purple color, finance is orange color. So the area indicated by finance is given in yellow, colored in yellow, marketing colored in purple, sales colored in blue. Okay, if I turn it off, the legend gets disappeared. Without the legend, nobody will understand what color is indicating what values. So you have to give a legend to your proportional area graph or any other graph. Then you can add a title, you can add a subtitle, you can add a source text. Likewise, if you are giving data from somewhere else, any reference you want to give or any other thing you want to write here, that source is data is taken from this or that or any other thing, you can add any text here, or you can link any document also here by clicking on this option. Okay. Next comes the x-axis. The x-axis labels should be on, because without, if I turn it off, see the year which are displayed, it disappears. So you have to turn it on. You can give a title to your x-axis. Similarly, the y-axis labels, y-axis title. Then comes settings. In the settings, the grid lines are by default on, tooltips are on, and you can add filters, which is a new feature given in Canva. If you add filters, see if I click on filters. Now what is filters? For example, in this proportional area chart, I don't want to display all the three data at once, okay, or I want to display any two or any one. Okay, for this you have to set a filter. Okay, first is select data. So in this we will choose the, by clicking on the drop down menu, by default column headers are chosen, sales, marketing and finance. It means for which data we want to get filtered. So sales, marketing and finance we want to filter. Okay, next comes the style of the filter. The style means button wise or range slider. Okay, two options are there. If you choose buttons, like buttons, this you can see in the graph, above the graph, sales, marketing and finance button wise it is given. And if I choose on range slider, a slider appears. Okay, so for this buttons is a good option, because we only have three departments or three values to show, three types of values to show, sorry. Next comes the interactive color. You can choose any color option for these buttons. I will choose red because I like red. So next comes allow multiple selections. If you turn it off, you can only display one data at a time. If you turn it on, you can display one data, two data, three data at once. Okay, so I will suggest you keep it on. Next comes remove filter. If you want to remove the filter, just click on remove filter. The filter will get disappear. Now I will show you how this filter works. Okay, see, now by default no filter is selected, so my three types of values are getting displayed in the chart. Now for example, if I want to see only the sales value, I will click on this sales. Only sales is displayed blue color, entire graph gets blue color. Now I want to show only the marketing. For marketing, only marketing to show, you have to click again on sales, so the sales data gets disappeared. Then you have to click on marketing, only marketing. If you want to show only finance, you have to first click on marketing, so that marketing is removed, and then finance, only finance is displayed now. If you want to show finance plus marketing, you only click on marketing. See, finance and marketing are displayed. If you want to show only sales and marketing, you have to first turn off the finance, then you have to turn on the sales. Sales and marketing are displayed. If you want to show the three, all the three, you have to just click on finance. See, all the three data is displayed. So this is all about the customized tab. Now comes the color options. First color is the white color, which is the background of the chart. Okay, I will suggest you keep it white, others you can change also, your wish. Next comes the color of the sales, blue color. Then comes the color of the purple. If you just click on it, you can select any other color also. And in the extreme left, you can see a slider is also given. Next comes padding. Padding is basically the area occupied by your chart. If I slide it to the right, area increases. If I slide it to the left, area decreases. See. Okay. Then comes font. You can choose the font style, text styles, font size, color of the font, formatting bold or italics, transparency of the chart. See, now transparency is 100%. If I slide it to the left, chart gets transparent. So I suggest you keep it to 100%. Then comes layers, the layering of the chart, the position of the chart. The nudge means you can move the chart to the left, up, down, and right. Okay. Next comes more option. In the more option, you can copy the chart, copy the style of the chart. Copy paste options are there. Duplicate the chart, delete the chart. You can select multiple. You can comment, or you can add a comment to your chart. You can lock the entire chart or lock only the position and appearance of the chart. You can link any external document from where your data is taken. You can add any document here. You can add an alternative text. You can download selected parts of the chart. You can translate the text of the chart in any language. So these options I will discuss in detail in another video. Now I am not going into details. Now finally we will see how to download the chart with the entire workbook, as well as only as JPG or PNG, only the chart. Okay. So for this, you can see a small up arrow above the mobile screen in the top right corner of the app. Okay. So just click on it. Now various options are displayed. Just click on download. All these options I will discuss in my another video. I will make a separate video of those. Now just click on download. See, suggested is CSV. CSV means the entire workbook along with the chart will be get downloaded as Excel file or CSV file, or Excel SX option is also given, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, if you choose these two options, either of these two options, the entire workbook along with the graph will get displayed, will get downloaded. Sorry. Next comes JPG. If you only want the chart to get downloaded, not the entire workbook, you can download or choose the option JPG. PNG, PDF standard also you can choose, PDF print and SVG. Okay, so I will choose a CSV. I need an Excel file, and you can save the download settings if you wish to download the next projects or next data or next charts as CSV only. So you can click on save download settings. Now just click on download. See, my download is completed. If you click on open, it will get opened in your Excel file. So if you click on open, it will get opened in mobile. Okay, separately in a Excel software. You need to have an Excel software or spreadsheet software installed on your mobile, then only you can open this file. So this is all for this video. I hope you have gained or learned information about how to make a proportional area chart in Canva mobile. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.